Okay, this will be tutorial 8 about using motion presets. You want to open a new ActionScript 3.0. Make sure that you set your properties 1280 wide, 720 high, 12 frames per second, fit in window. Okay, now we want to name this one, file, save, and this one will be 08tutorial and your initials. Now let's select the oval tool. So you go to the rectangle tool and click, and then hold it. Oval tool is right there. Let's choose a good color. Let's use a nice bright red. Okay, draw an oval, any shape of oval. Then select it with your selection arrow and use the align palette to make the height and width in info the same. So let's set the height and width both to 250p. That's pixels. And now it's a perfect circle. Command S. Now make sure that this circle is selected and select the fill color and choose a radial gradient fill. So select on the color box and go down to the bottom and you see the radial gradient fill. So select the red one. Press F for the gradient transform tool. And now move the highlight to the upper left part of the circle. So you can do that by clicking and dragging up to there. Open the color panel, which is under the palette up here. Make the inner stop white and the outer stop red. So move this over and make this one white and the outer stop red. I'll choose a dark red there. Pull the black off of there. There you go. So that you end up with a ball that has a highlight on it. Now press Command S. With the selection tool, select the circle and press F8 to create a symbol. This time we want to make it into a movie clip symbol and call it ball. Okay, and now we want to open up the motion presets, which are right here under this 3-dot icon in this bar. So click on that and there's the motion presets. Let's look at the default presets. And in order to see this easier, I like to put up here by the library. We'll close that now, we don't need that yet. Let's pull down so we get a good size for our preview. And now you can check to see what it looks like. So here's bounce in, bounce out, and this is 3D effects. Bounce smoosh. All these different things you can do. Wave. Zoom in 3D. Woo. Let's try bounce in 3D. Now in order to apply that to your object, you press apply down at the bottom here. And you see that the presets have preset number of frames. And now let's return to see what that looks like. Okay, now I'm going to hit window here. Now it seems like it's going off the screen here. So if we go ahead and come back to the first frame and move it up, and command return, we'll see what that looks like. Now let's say I wanted that to happen faster. To make it happen faster, I can just grab the end of the range of frames and drag it in. And it changes the position of the keyframes in relation to that. So it does it proportionally. So now if I press command return, it goes a lot faster. Now you can even go ahead and you can move the positions of things if you want to. You can edit the length of, let's go to show all. You can edit the length of the motion itself if you select it with the free transform tool. So you can make it happen over a smaller space. And then if we do that and we make it take longer, it can go really slowly in a smaller space. So that is how you use some of the motion presets.